So when you will open your Ansys software, Ansys electronic desktop, you will see this screen, right? So what we will be using is Maxwell 3D, but it has different tools under it. See, this H and every one of them has different uses. Like HFSS is for high frequency. Q3D, you can calculate parasitic elements from this. Circuit, you can just make your circuit like MATLAB here. IcePack is for thermal management, and Maxwell is mostly if you want, it's a field solver software. So flux linkage, how the flux flow and all, you can see in Maxwell 3D, right? So we have Twin Builder also. Actually, this is like the old version of our software. Now current version is 2024 R2. So we are using 2018, I guess, if I'm not wrong, right? So we are using 2018 software. So now this Twin Builder is being replaced by Simplorer, but it has the same function. So what it does is, if example, let me take the example of coil only. So in wireless power transfer, we have coil, right? One is primary coil and secondary coil, like transmitter and receiver coil, right? So if we are making that coil in Maxwell and now we want to use that same coil in our circuit, we can do that through this Twin Builder. Okay, so we can see how if we simulate our circuit. So if we just attach our different blocks like inverters and all, so how our coil will perform, that we can see from here, Twin Builder, right? So this is what we will see. So please, every one of you open the screen and go to Maxwell 2D. We have done that. Should we start? So before starting, let me see how we have divided our workshop. So this is like a day-wise content, but what we will do is will not do this day-wise because some day will some simulations will take a long time to simulate and some simulations will take like less than 2 hours to simulate. So because we have to complete this 12 experiments in 12 days, what we will do is maybe we will club some of the experiments, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So for today, I'm planning to complete introduction of 2D transformer introduction and 2D transformer geometry creation. This and day two content. So you don't need to worry. Whatever I'll complete, I'll just let you know this is the content of this day. Okay. You all have this file, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we will try to complete this transformer geometry creation and day two with variable dimension. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a minute. So all are aware how transformer works, right?
Huh.
Working
Ma'am.
of transformer, you all know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. So this is like the type of single phase transformer we have. So first we have core type transformer, which has a primary and secondary winding wound on the two limbs, right? And then we have shell type transformer. Here, what this core called, you know? what is the shape of this core? Any one of you know this? Okay, fine. So it's an E-type core, right? You know types of core that is used for transformer? Hello? Okay, so one of your like homework kind of homework is like please read how you design a transformer. Fine. Can like any one of you take the initiative to say yes or no? Just yes or no, I want. That is also fine for me.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So one thing you can do is you can read about types of core used in transformer, the material that we use for core, right? And how
Yes, ma'am.
the windings are wound in shell type cores. Okay.
Mm.
And also the basic design, if you can see, it will be good. But we don't need it. Just want to I want you to understand the transformer. That's why I'm just asking you to read it yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So what we will simulate is shell type transformer. This is
Okay.
our shell type transformer. So we are doing this in first in Ansys Maxwell 2D, and then we will do it in Ansys Maxwell 3D. Fine. Now, how
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can design this core in Ansys Maxwell 2D? So assume if you have cut this core in half, not this side, from this side, assume. So if assume it is a 3D structure, and if you cut your core in half from this side, okay, what you will see, I'll just show you what you will see. Means how will the cross section looks like. Okay, this is your core, right? Your E-type core. Now, how the winding will look like. So this will be your first winding. Not winding. This will be your. So you know how windings are wound around the transformer core. Do you guys have any idea about it? Okay, it's fine. You can read that also. So, like assume if we have wounded our transformer layer wise. So first we have first layer, then above that we have second layer, then above that we have three layer. Assume that we have multiple layers like that. Okay, on this transformer shell type. Okay, so when you will cut in half, what you will see is if your wire is like circular in shape, so you will see that not this actually, not you will not see the straight line, you will see something like this, right? On first layer, you are understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is like the number of turns. This is your first turn, this is your second turn, and this is your third turn, fourth, five. So now we have assumed that this, if example, if we have like this wire length is 1 mm and this is like 20 turns. So we have assumed that this will be of 20 mm. Understood? This diameter, if diameter of our wire is 1 mm, this is just an assumption. Okay. So, and if 20 such turns are there, what will be the length of this 20 mm,
20 mm.
right? So like this, we are not drawing this circle, we are drawing it as a rectangular. But if your wire is circular, you will see such thing. If you'll cut your transformer in half, right? This cross section, are you guys understanding?
Yeah, understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Uh, so we will not draw this circular. We will just draw one big rectangular. This will be your first layer, right? So if assume we have like two layers, so there will be second layer also, right? In the same way, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here in shell type, you have both primary and secondary winding wound on the central limb, right? So it might be like if, we can wound it in different ways, but for now we are assuming that this is our secondary winding, this is our primary winding. Then after that, maybe some more layers. So this will be our again our secondary winding. Okay. So like that, we are assuming we can wound this shell type in different form, right? You can read more about it. Okay. So what we are doing today is we are making this geometry. This is a 2D 2D cross section of transformer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone have any doubt? Okay, fine. This part you understood now why we are taking it as rectangular? Hello? Why we assume it as rectangular, you understand, right? Because it is
Yes,
just
ma'am.
for simplicity rather than drawing small sock. If our wire is circular, then rather than drawing the small circulars, it just because the whole winding is primary, so we can do that, right? Or sorry, secondary or primary. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So let's start with our simulation then. Just give me a minute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will cover day one and day two today. We will try to cover it if possible. If possible, then only we'll try. We will not rush things, but if possible, we will try to cover this two today. So this you are seeing, this is what we will draw today. So first, this for now, I'm not telling you which is primary coil, which is secondary coil. Okay. For now, you just know that you have E-type core, which have like 24 mm
You
and
are
20.
not seeing your screen, ma'am.
Guys, please mute your.
దూరం ఉంటే ఇట్లా అందుకే ఇట్లా పెట్టింది
Hello, ma'am.
ఇప్పటిదాకా వీడియో ఉండే ఇప్పుడే పోయింది
Someone is talking very loudly and not being able to hear.
Ma'am,
me.
you are not sharing your video screen share, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
madam.
So today we will draw this geometry. For now, we are not talking about any excitations, what which is my primary coil, which is my secondary coil. Nothing talking about. We just know that I have E-type core. Please mute yourself, guys. Okay. So now we just know that I have E-type core. I have how many layers? 5 layers. Okay. Then my window size is 6. This is 16. So it's 6 into 16 window size, right? And uh, what is the cross section of my binding? It's like 0.5 mm. Okay.
Point five. Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
So this everything is in mm. So now you understand why my transformer in 2D looks like this. The basic understanding you got, right? Why it is looking like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think we can proceed with the simulation then.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you will open your Maxwell, let me close some of the projects. Have you guys opened Maxwell 2D design?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So when you will open your Maxwell, this interface you will see in Maxwell 2D design. Let me admit some. Yeah. So this interface you will we have different structures here. This is rectangular, this is circle, this is a polygon, and then this is your ellipse, right? Then you also have, you can draw line or any structures if you want, right? And we have then certain options like move, rotate, mirror. I'll tell you how we use this. So while making our geometry only, I'll just tell you what we need, okay? And what we what we will use means what is the function of that particular command, okay? So for now, I'm not giving you like this does this command do this command do that. I'm not telling you now, but when we will like draw our geometry, uh, whatever we will use, I'll let you know what is the purpose of that command. Okay, fine. So first, what we need is a rectangular, right? A big rectangular. Okay. Actually, it's a square because it's like 24 into 24. So it's a square. So for what we need is a square, right? How we can draw it? Using our rectangular block directly. Fine. So select your rectangular, place it at one of the corner and just drag it like this. Are you guys doing it with me?
Ma'am, can you show again?
Okay,
Some
yeah. Just let us delete that. Select rectangular block because what we need? A rectangular, right? This 24 into 24 mm, right? So what we will select is rectangular. From here, just click it and draw the rectangular. Hold it and drag. Hold and drag. Okay? Are you guys getting it? Hello? Are you being able to draw this? Is there anyone who is not being able to draw this? Anyone is facing any issue? Should we proceed then? Okay, fine. So
All
now,
of it is fun so that she can repeat also.
yeah,
Because initially it will take time. They may take some time to understand. But once if you catch it, the software will be very easy.
yes, right. So, should I repeat it again or is it fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Uh, See, I just know English and Hindi. So whatever you want to say, please say in that two language only. No, it's fine, right? We can proceed. So now we have drawn our rectangle, but we have not given any dimension to this, right? So how we can give dimension to this? First, the most important thing in Ansys is where your what is the location, like what is the position of your uh, what component, any like shape. So what is its position and what is its dimension? So this the position is with respect to center, right? So this is the center of our for our Ansys. Okay, this is the center. This is your positive x direction. This is your positive y direction. This is your negative x direction. And this is your negative y direction. You might be thinking why I'm telling you this. Because it will be helpful when you are placing your components, because you have to give certain position to it. Understood? So you have to think with respect to center, what is the position of that component, and then have to allot that position to it. You might be getting confused now, but it's really very simple. So should we proceed with that? Hello? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you guys have drawn your rectangle on left hand side, you will see this. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So on left hand side, you will see this uh, two windows, right? So first is project manager, where your means what your 2D structure is, right? And this here you will have everything related to your geometry, right? So this deals with excitation and all, and these blocks deal with all geometry related thing. Okay. So first, you might be seeing, if you have drawn a rectangular, you might be seeing this option. So now how to allow the position and dimension to this rectangle. Okay. So just open create rectangle. Now, now what you will see is this is of 24 and this is of 24. So the dimension in x is 24 mm and dimension in y axis is also 24 mm, right? So x for z axis, is 0 for 2D, but it will be there for 3D. Okay. So for now, we are not dealing with z axis. Fine. So just give 24 here and 24 here. So now can any one of you tell me what will be the position? If you want it, uh, if you want the center of Ansys to be the center of your rectangle, it should be divided in half and half, right? Are you guys getting me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So your position will be 12.5. You started drawing your rectangular from here, right? Okay. Are you guys getting me? So with respect to that point only, you have to give the position. You guys got it? How I have given the position and how I have uh, given the dimension. You guys get it? It's very important if you are drawing the geometry. So if you
Ma'am.
don't understand, I will repeat myself. But please respond.
Ma'am, can you repeat it, ma'am, once?
Yeah, thank you.
I can't get it.
Good. See, it's like your dimension in x-axis is here is x-axis, right? Uh, with respect to your Ansys, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, right? So what is the dimension in x-axis? It's 24, right? And what is the dimension in y-axis? It's also 24 mm.
24, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So when you will open this, you will see it asks for X size, which corresponds to the dimension of your rectangle or any shape for that matter. And then Y size, which is the dimension in Y direction. Understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for
Sorry to
X,
interrupt, ma'am. I have a question.
yeah,
X-axis it's 24. Y-axis is 24. The position should be minus 12 and plus 12, right?
no. If you want this to be the center, means if you want the center of your uh, rectangular to be the center of your Ansys, you have to allot minus 20, 12.5 and minus 12.5 here. Means it's like you are dividing this in half and half. Understand? Are you guys getting confused? Are you guys getting confused? Or it's 24. Sorry, it's 24. So it's half will be 12. Sorry. It's not 12.5, it's 12. Okay. So this is 24, its half will be 12. By mistake, I'm assuming, in my head, I'm assuming it as 25 mm. So, sorry for that. Okay. So X size we have 12, Y we have 24, sorry. X we have 24, Y we have 24. So its position will be minus 12 and minus 12. So it's like you are dividing your rectangle in half. So its position will be, you want to move it to the X side or you want to move it to the Y side, more of Y side. Like in, how can I just explain it to you? So if you will draw any geometry here, example, okay, let me proceed with the next thing. With that also, I'll explain how the position is being given so that you will understand it better. Maybe for now you are confused, right?
I think from one of the participant question, it should be minus 12. Minus 12 means from the border, how much we have to reduce to reach to that position.
Yes.
Minus 12
So
from the x-axis, minus 12 from the y-axis, then it will go to the 0 position. If you keep minus 12, minus 13 means it will go like that. On x-axis, how much we have to reduce? to reach to that center point.
Center.
On y-axis, how much you have to reduce? I think that clarifies.
No. It's not more. It's not kind of reduction. It is how you are placing right your rectangular where you want like. I'm not being able to explain it now, but I think with just like if we will proceed and if we will make some more
Yeah, okay.
geometry, you will understand how the position we are positioning our components. Okay. So if it's like what what center you want for your rectangle. Okay, so now if I'll draw my geometry here only, so I'll give that position somewhere different. Okay, actually let me proceed with the next step. That time also I have to explain you position. So today is all about positions and dimensions. Okay, and still if you will have doubt, I'll try to explain it in more general way, like how you will understand it. Because for now, I think you guys are getting somewhat confused, right?
Ma'am.
Yeah. So our next thing is we want these two windows, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So we will draw one window here. Okay. Now see its position. Yeah, it is placed at -10 here, and then 10 here. Like its position from here is minus x-axis 10, -10, and here 10.
Hello.
Understood? Hello.
Hello, ma'am. I think two students are waiting to join.
Okay. Let me admit them. Okay, yeah. So where you have started this, you have started it from this point, right? So its position is -10 and +10. This you understood? I have not played with any positions for now, or I have not changed any positions for now. You want to draw this rectangle. So you are starting from this point. So what is the position of that point is minus on minus x-axis it's -10 and plus y-axis it's 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is like that. For now we have not done anything, right? If we wanted it to be the center, what should have been the positions with this size only? And any one of you tell me? I want to move it to center. I want this. I want to move this rectangular to center. How I can move it? Can any one of you tell me? With this x size and y size, so they are remaining same. How we
I
can move
I
it?
I think, ma'am, it will be -550. I think, ma'am.
What?
Position will be -5
-5. Okay.
and 50, ma'am. I think so.
Now you see what will happen. So now I'm not saying anything whether it is right or wrong. You just yourself will see. Is it in the center?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Right? So your x size is 8. So if you want it to
Okay.
be in the center, it should be minus 4.
-4. Okay.
Understood? Your y size is minus 20 mm. So it should be 10, right? Half.
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Now it is in the center.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to see if you want to make the dimension from to be in the center, you just have to give the position of half of the size that is given here, right? Means half of the dimension. Okay, you guys understood it now?
Yes,
Someone
ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
someone was asking me why I have not choose 12 here, because before y size was minus 24. Okay, so I've made it plus 24. So its half size will be minus, like this is 20. If I'll just choose 0, 0, 0 here, see what you will get. First, just understand, we will just understand the position thing. Okay. Okay. So if you will keep 0, 0 here, this will be the position of your rectangle, right? Now, what you want to do, you want to move it 24 downwards and 24 towards left. Oh, sorry, 12 downwards and 12 towards left, right? Right? If you want the center of your rectangular to be the center of this axis, what you want to do is you want to move this rectangular 12 downwards, because half of it downwards and half of it to the left. You are understanding?
So initially it will be placed in the first quadrant. So from there
Yes.
onwards, we move
Ha.
to the required
So
position. That's it.
initially, it depends where you are choosing this point. Okay. So it depends where you are choosing this. When I have drawn the rectangular for the first
If you're
time,
first quadrant, it is like that. If it is in the fourth quadrant, it will be in a different way. We need to take it. Plus and plus, we need to go. Plus 12 and plus 12.
see, if I have drawn my rectangular from this point. What is this point? This point is x size
This fourth
28, right? And 27. So now I am making it just 24 and 24. Okay. So now when I'll make this 0 and 0, you will see this point will be at center. Okay. How it is, are you guys like understanding it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
see, I have started from this point. Okay. My rectangle. So it's
Uh,
positioned with
there
respect.
is hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, there is some confusion regarding this minus 24.
Yes, sir. That is what I'm explaining them, sir.
Okay. This.
Yeah, yeah. See, you when you will start your geometry, you will start from point. I can start
Yes,
from
yes,
here. I can start from anywhere, right?
yes.
Example, I have started from this point. So what is the position of this point is here, like here it is in minus x direction and plus y direction, right?
Yes.
Right. So
Yes,
if
yes, yes.
it is in minus x direction and plus y direction, So this size is given with respect to what is the size of this point. Like if I'll just apply this because 24. What is the size of this with respect to your position? So it's like 24 plus, right? So in y size it's 24 plus, and in x size it's 24 minus, right? If you will position it at 0, we can try any combination. So in 24 plus 24, where will my point come if we will just position it at 0 and 0 in your first quadrant? Okay.
Okay.
If you'll if you'll use like minus 24 and 24 with position as 0 and 0, it will be here. So this is minus 24, this is minus 24, and this is plus 24. Understand? Now you're understanding, or still you guys are confused? This is minus 24 now.
In a quadrant way. That is
Yeah,
better.
quadrant way. So this is minus 24, this is plus 24. But now what I want to place, I want the center of this rectangular to be the center of my means Ansys coordinate system, right? So what I need to do is I need to move this rectangular to some part. It should be here, like half of the part should be here, right? And half of the part should be downward. Understood?
Plus 12 minus 12.
Huh. So now, if you want to move here, what you have, what should be the position? Here, what it is? Plus or minus?
Plus 12. Plus 12 and 0.
No, 0, 12 only.
The first.
So now you
If it is
want to
24
move
means plus
12,
24.
12 in the positive x direction, right? Because you want to move here, so it will be plus 12 in the positive direction, right? You want to move here, right?
Yes.
Means because to make it center,
Yes.
right? And now with respect to y direction, you have to go downwards. So it will be minus 12, right? Because it is upward, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys still confused how it is being done? Hello, Lakshman sir.
Yes, I think it's clear. It's clear.
It's clear now?
Now it's clear, I think so.
Any questions from any of the students? I think you can ask. Yeah. I think no, it is from where you started dragging this rectangle.
Yes.
I think from there, this size is fixed,
Yes.
right?
So, yes, exactly.
If you are dragging downwards, then size would be in y direction. It would be negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So if you are
And
dragging no right side, then x direction x size is positive. If you drag rectangle left side, then with respect to x axis, dimension, size is negative, right?
yes, right,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
And
Understood. Now it is clear. I think now it is clear to me. I think mostly it is clear to students also. Is it okay? Any questions still?
No,
you
sir.
guys have any questions? I know it is difficult to understand in the starting, but once
No,
start,
Utkarsha, maybe Utkarsha, ji, I mean, you can try one thing, no? You can drag, you can start, drag rectangle, 4 rectangles you can drag and you can show, no?
yes, sir.
And
So
then
I'll
people
do.
will understand.
Okay, sir.
Quickly,
Yeah.
I think it will be
Yes.
clear because it is starting, no?
Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm starting from this point. This
Hmm.
point is with this point. I'm just talking about this point. This point is in negative x direction and positive y direction, right?
Hmm.
You can see the in the small window also. What is the location of position, right? negative x and positive y. Minus 12, 14, you can see from here, right? This here, okay? Now I'm dragging it in positive x direction and negative y direction. Okay? Hello? Okay,
Yes, yes.
ma'am.
I think now x size in x direction is positive, and y with respect to y, yeah, it is
It's
negative, right?
negative.
Y
Yes.
quantity. Yeah, yeah. Yes, understood, understood.
So with this position in x it is 27 and in y it is minus 27. Now I want to make it 24, 24. So if I can change I can change the sign of x size or y size. Okay. So now what will be the position? It will be plus 12 and, oh sorry, it will be minus 12 and plus 12. You can just understand it by just keeping position as 0 and 0, and then you can see where you want to move your rectangle. That will be the easiest way for now. But when when you keep drawing this, you will understand on your own. So first you can just keep
I
your,
think with yeah, I think with practice, students will learn. I think it's
yes,
understood.
yes, sir, right, right. So let's just uh, proceed with the windows then. Okay, same we will do here also. This is your first window. Okay, sorry. Now we will see what is its size. It's 18, 8, sorry, 8 and minus 18. Where you want to keep it, you want it in negative x size and positive y, right? Like you want to keep it here only, right? Are you guys understanding? I know it's like a bit confusing, but I think with time you'll get this. You do one thing, you just practice for today and just learn try to understand the positions and all. If you still have doubt, tomorrow we can discuss more up on this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is my exercise here?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, Krishna ji, maybe we can try with only positive sizes, no, like dragging only upper side.
Yeah,
No,
sir.
I think yeah, it
That
was
also.
so that will make more clear. Later on, students will anyway they will practice and later
Yeah.
they will learn. I think this negative thing may be a little confusing.
Okay. So you want me to do all this in first quadrant?
Yeah, yeah, and then you shift it, no, where I mean, and you can place it wherever you want, no, by changing the position.
Yes. Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah. So otherwise, no, I think this negative thing until unless students practice, I don't think they will.
Yeah.
I mean,
I
it
understand.
will be difficult for the beginners.
Okay, sir. Okay, so we can do that also. What we want is for that, just make both positive and just give 0, 0.
Mm.
We will deal with then first quadrant. Just okay.
Mm.
This x size and y size tell you in which quadrant you are dealing. Okay. So positive x and negative x, both positive and positive first. Positive negative x and positive y second. Okay. Just like that, third, and if both are negative, you will be in third quadrant. And if y is positive, you will be in, if y is negative, you will be in fourth quadrant. Understood? This coordinate system you understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So as Lakshman sir is saying, we'll for today we'll just deal with first quadrant only. Okay. And the position I have kept 0, 0, 0. So with respect, this is 0 position. With respect to this position, your x is 24 mm, right? Positive 24 mm. This is your x, positive 24 mm, right? And this is your y, which is positive 24 mm, right? This much you understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
am
Yes,
keeping
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is just a coordinate system. Can you, like any one of you, not Lakshman sir, just any one of you, can you tell me now if I want to make it in center, what will be the position?
-12, ma'am. X-axis and Y-axis.
Good.
-12, -12.
Because you want to move it
Minus from Y-axis and minus from Z.
minus from x-axis, right?
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
I think some of you got it, some of you for some of you it might be still confusing, but I think some of you have got it how we are doing this, right? So it depends what is your x size and y size, and depending on that, what is your position. But let's deal with first quadrant con. If you are not being able to see your geometry, you can use this option. It's fit all. It has different options: zoom in, zoom out, fit all, and fit all is you can see your whole geometry. Okay. Then rotate you have, and orientation also you have. It is mostly using 3D structure. In 2D you don't really need it. Okay. So let's proceed with the windows. First window is here. Okay. Actually, like drawing it from the center has advantages because you can just duplicate it here. Okay. Like you don't need to draw it again. You can, whatever you have drawn here, you can just duplicate it along the axis. So that is why we mostly draw our geometries, taking its center as center of our Ansys coordinate system. Here we can do it, but it will be difficult to position it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, go with your plan only.
Huh?
They'll practice.
Yes,
You
sir.
want
Yeah.
to draw it in
Like for today, please go and understand how the position, how we are positioning the rectangle, and from tomorrow I'll place this rectangle in the center only because it will be like we can use multiple functions from it. Like it will be easy for us. You don't have to draw it twice and thrice. Means some things you don't have to draw it twice and thrice. We can just mirror it through like the axis. That is why it is important to keep your geometry in the center. It's like very easy to do certain things then. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we have drawn it here, drawn it from here. What I have done is I have dragged it in the x axis and then, sorry, I have drawn it, I have dragged it in positive side and then in downwards direction. Okay. So what size I want is in X, it is 16. In Y, it is 6 mm. Okay. So in X, how much I want? 6, right? In Y, it is 16. Now you will see the position of this, how we can decide. How we can decide the position of this. You have to do certain calculations because everything is not given here, right? Every information is not given here, right? So if this is 6, this is also 6. Okay. So what is this and this? How we can calculate it? Any one of you? We have to place it somewhere, right? So we just have to know the what is this space, like what is the dimension of this space, and this space also, right? It's just addition and subtraction, guys. Why you are like getting confused? Here it
Between
is
the
6,
two,
12, 12 it's getting minus, and then we have 12, which is getting divided in 3 parts, right? So what can be the dimension here and
4
4,
mm.
between
4
the
mm,
values,
4 mm, right? This is 4 mm,
Yes, ma'am.
this is 4 mm, this is 4 mm, this is 6, and this is 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to position it. This is 3. Confusing in first quadrant. Actually, it is more confusing in first quadrant.
Yes.
Hello, Lakshman sir, are you still there?
Hello. Yes, yes, yes. No, no,
Sir,
please go ahead with your plan. Just regarding sizing only, I told. I did not. No, I was no, just no hinting you. Like you go with your convenience. It's fine, absolutely fine
actually,
with your
if I
idea.
go
Yeah.
this, it will be more confusing for them.
No, no, no. I'm not, actually. I think no, it is misunderstood. I did not ask you to draw this complete diagram and first coordinate. You
Okay,
have to
okay.
center it. I understand. So just know
Yes,
the sizing. While sizing, this minus 20 will stop. No, stop dragging from the point where you're starting rectangle
yes, sir.
downwards and left side. You can drag right side and upwards so that no always size is positive.
Yes,
That's what I
sir.
mentioned.
Okay,
I did
okay,
not
that
ask
is
you to
perfect.
use.
But you can
Uh,
change it from here also. If you drag it
yeah, yeah,
everywhere, it
correct.
does not matter. You can change it from here, like X size and
I
Y
think
size.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I think it is understood. Initially, it was a little confused. I think it's okay. Fine. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
We will go ahead from center. Sorry.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
We will just go ahead with center point only because you will get more confused if I'll just tell you how we are doing it in some like one quadrant thing. I mentioned it earlier also because uh, if you are keeping your geometric position like centered, it will always be better for you. Okay.
Please,
Yes, ma'am.
please go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. So now we have your X size is 6, right? And what is your Y size? Your Y size is 16. Okay. we'll keep it, let's keep here like plus only, so it will be easy. Now, what if your position is -10? So it has gone like upward. Now you want to bring it here. So you have to see the position correctly. From the center, just see the position of that, like from the point where you have started your geometry. So it is, this is 2. So can I just explain it on iPad?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah. So this is your rectangle, right? This is your coordinate system. Now maybe you will understand it better. Now I'm starting my window from this point, right? And like this. This is 6. This is 16. And other also you have. This is 4, right? 4 mm. And this is 4 mm. Right? And this is also 4 mm. Right? With respect to this, what is the position of this point? It's 2, right? This 2 plus 6. So it should be 8, right? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
It should be 8. How 8 has come understood? Huh?
Yes,
I'm not
ma'am.
talking about minus
yes.
plus for
Yes,
now. Do you guys understand how this 8 is coming position wise? This is 2 because you are dividing it in half. This is 6. So this point will come 8, right? For now, just forgot plus and minus. Okay. So now we want to see what is the position in y direction. So what more information we have? It's like this is 24. This is 24, right? And this is 16. So 16 minus 24, 8, right? That 8 is divided into this two thing, 4 mm and this 4 mm. Now it is becoming 24, right? 4 mm, 16 mm, 4 mm. My screen is visible, no? Hello?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Just a minute. Just a minute. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
iPad just got switched off. Just a minute. Okay. We will see from here. That time. Um. Okay. Okay. My screen is visible to you, right? So now, hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 24, this is 16. Now we have 8, which is divided into 2 parts. So this is 4 mm, right? And the bottom one is also 4 mm. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the position of this point? What is the position of that point?
Yes, 8, 8, ma'am.
Right. It's 8. I have to rejoin meeting, I guess, from iPad. Just wait a minute. I'm really sorry. So this is 4, this is 4. So this point is, this is 16, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is half of that. I'm not being able to use my iPad. So let's continue with this only. Okay. This point, how x-axis point is 8, you understand, right? So y-axis is just 6, half of 16. So it will be 8, 8, 0. This much you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to our triangle. So it's 6 and 6. Now where we want that point? It will
Minus
be
8,
minus 8.
minus 8.
This you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. So like this, you want one more window this side, right? So what you can do is you select this window, then go to edit, then just duplicate it, means duplicate it. So you will get another such window and then mirror it. Place that point which you will get after clicking the mirror, click on the center and just drag it. It will get duplicated. You understand how this duplicate function works? You understood this?
Once repeat more.
Okay. Whatever thing you want to duplicate means on the other part also, like this is your coordinate system. So whatever you have done on this part, you want same in this part also with same dimensions and same distance from the coordinate system. You can just duplicate it. You don't need to draw it again. You just don't need to find the position and all. You can just duplicate it along the axis. Okay. So for that, select the object which you want to duplicate, go to edit, then duplicate. And if you want to mirror, you can move this also. I want to just mirror it because whatever is being done here, I just want to replicate that on the other axis. So you can mirror it, and this point will come. So along which axis you want to mirror. So you want to just mirror it from the center, right? Because you have kept it here, right? So just place it at the center point and just drag it. It will get mirrored. Okay. Now it has become 2, so I'll just delete 1. Understood? Or is it confusing for you? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should we proceed then? Or do you want me to repeat? Should we
Ma'am, once
proceed?
repeat.
Okay. Let me delete this and we will do it again. Okay. This is our first window, right? Now what I want is same window on the other side of the axis, right? So what I can do is I can draw again, but it will take my time. And again, I have to position it correctly and all. So it will take a lot of time. So one thing I can do is I can just duplicate it on the other side of the axis. Okay. So I'll just select the object which I want to duplicate. So I want to just duplicate this, right? The window rectangle. So I'll just select that. Then I'll go to edit, then duplicate and mirror. Okay. You want to see if I use the other option, what will happen, or you will try it yourself?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so please try other option also. Please explore Ansys as much as you can, so you will understand what each option does. Okay. So I've selected mirror. Keep it at the center and just drag it. Understood? You will get 2 similar windows on both sides of the axis. Is it clear now?
Yes,
or
ma'am.
it's confusing?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to cut this from this big rectangle. I want to cut this window part from this big rectangle because you want E-type code, right? So what we will do is first select the main object from which you want to cut the small object. Okay. So first I'll select the big rectangle. Then I'll select the 2 small rectangle. Okay. I'm not being able to select. I'm just being able to select one. The reason is if you want to select both, you have to unite them. So if you want to treat both as one object, now it is like it has their individual thing, right? So you can move it anywhere. But now you want if I'll move my this object, the other object also I want to move. Then you have to unite it. Okay. So should we do that first because they are behaving similar. Both are windows. Wherever I'll move this window, I want this also to move, right? Understand?
Yes,
What is unite option does you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just select both and just click on unite. So now it has just become one object. Like you do group thing, right? in drawings, when you will draw in a visual and all, you use group, right? Group option. It's like that only. If I'll move this, this will also move in the same way. It's like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yeah. So first we want to select this. Now we want to cut, right? First we'll select this. So this, what this do is, first it will just, uh, uh, I want to subtract this small rectangle from the big rectangle, right? So your big rectangular will come in the blank part, and your whatever cut portion you want will come in the tool part. You can exchange it also if you select it. Okay. So in blank part, you want the object which you want to keep, and in tool part, the object which you want to cut. Okay. If you'll just cut it, it will get cut. Understood how we have done this?
Madam, can you
You
repeat
guys
again?
yeah. Now you have this two rectangle and the big rectangle. What you want to do is you want to form E-type core. For that, this solid part should not be there, right? It should be cut, right? Right? As you can see from this drawing, you want to cut this part because you want to place these windings there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's a empty space, right? There is no core present there. It's an empty space, right? From transformer point of view. So you want to just remove the solid material from here, right? So first we will select the part which we from which we want to cut the portion. Okay. So the rectangular one is the core part, right? Which we want to keep, right? And rectangular 2 is the part which we want to subtract. Okay. So first click rectangular 1, then click rectangular 2, and then just click subtract. From here also you can check it again. I want to keep rectangular 1 and I want to subtract rectangular 2. So rectangular 1 will keep in blank parts and rectangular 2 will come in tool parts. But by mistake, if you have selected rectangular 2 first, you can still exchange it by just clicking on them, and here you can move it, whatever you want, you can move it to other parts. See, like this you can do. Okay, understood? So even if you have not selected it first, but you want to keep it, you can still exchange it. Understood? And then just click on OK. It will get cut. Is it fine, or like you understood this? Hello? Should I repeat it? Do you understand
Yeah,
how
ma'am.
this subtract option works? You don't understand?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, where is the subtract option, ma'am?
It will come in the above window, above option, where fit and all, where is your where rectangular is there. There you can see this subtract option.
We were not able to see that, ma'am.
Not able to see this, like it is not present in your answers. or you are not being able to use it? Like, what is the issue? Hello?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Anusha. Yes.
In operation, you can see that
not
option.
working. This is not working.
Okay. Just first, you can use it only after you select your geometry. Okay. So first select your geometry. This is your geometry, right? This much you have drawn, Anusha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Then select your the outer rectangular first. Okay. Then your inner rectangular. Then only you can use this subtract option. Hello? Now you can use it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now
Wait.
just click on. Now you can use it or not? I'm not understanding.
No, ma'am.
Still no. Okay, Anusha, you can do one thing. You can just like message me after all of you facing the same problem, or it is just Anusha.
No, ma'am. It's done.
It is same for all of you guys. You are not being able to use that option because I have downloaded the same Ansys which I have given you. So I don't think it should have happened, but I don't know. Except Anusha, you all are getting that option or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are being able to use it.
Yes, ma'am.
So should
Yes,
we
ma'am.
proceed? Yeah, okay. So Anusha, you do one thing, you message me after this class. We will see what is the issue. Okay? Don't get
Okay,
worried.
ma'am.
Yeah. So we will select the first rectangular, the outer rectangular, from which we want to cut the inner small rectangulars, right? Then we will select these small rectangulars, and then we will just click on subtract. This rectangular one is the portion we want to keep, and rectangular two is the portion which we want to cut. Okay? Then we just can click OK. Understood? This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
madam.
Okay. Now what is there? We are done with the core part. Now what is there? The winding parts, right? For this also, we just
Yes, ma'am.
need small rectangulars only. So just in the starting, I have told you why we are assuming it as rectangular. That part you all have understood, right? Why your
Yes, ma'am.
2D cross section looks like this for transformer. You understand, right? You don't have any doubt in that, right? Okay. So here also we have to do some calculations. Here, this is 6, right? This, what the spacing is 5. So we have to find out what is this spacing. So spacing between the layer is 0.5. The dimension of this layer is 0.5. This is the length is 15. The width is 0.5. The distance between is 0.5. So what is missing is this part and this part, right? Understood? Should we proceed? Understood, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I explain it on? I'll see if it is working. Yeah. So what we know is this. My screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes,
No,
yes,
no,
it is visible.
no, not this screen. Sir. I was showing it on WhatsApp, no, iPad. Okay. Oops. Is it visible? My iPad screen is visible.
No, madam. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just wait a minute. Facing issue with that. Okay, fine. Okay, so this we have already assumed that this is 2, right? From the center, if you will just see this distance, it was 2 mm, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
now we want to calculate this distance and this distance because we know that distance between uh, the layer is 0.5 mm. What we can do, like any one of you can tell me how we can calculate this? It's just mathematical thing, right? You have 5 windings, so 0.5. This is 1. This is 1 mm, right? Till this, it is 1 mm, right? From this to this is 1 mm. 2, then this to this is 1 mm. 3, this to this is 1 mm. 4, right? And this is 0.5. So we have total is 4.5 here, right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this and this then? This is 6 mm, right? Hole. This hole is 6 mm, right? Actually, this is also 0.5 actually. I might have forgotten to put below. So this is also 0.5. So we have this as 5 mm, right? So I forgot to give this. This is 0.5 only from here to here. Okay. So this hole is this whole thing is 5 mm if you will calculate it till this hole is 5 mm. So this is just 1 mm. Okay. Understood now how we have calculated it? This is just simple maths. I think you guys have understood it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And this, if you will just draw one line here. It- Here it was 2 mm from center. Okay, because this hole was 4 mm. So from center it was 2 mm. Okay. So now tell me, if I'll start my point from here, what will be the position? Don't tell me in terms of sign, just tell me the values.
3.3, 7.5. No?
3, right, and 7.5. You understood how this came?
Yes, ma'am.
No, the rest of the people, you only told me. If I'll start my rectangular from this point, what is the position you understood? So this is 0.5. This is 0.5. So this is like 1 mm. And this, like from the center, it was 2 mm because the hole is 4 mm. So like this, it has come to 3 mm. Understood? You guys understood this? Does anyone have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt? Okay. Okay, just proceed. We will proceed with our first layer. What is the x size? 0.5, right? What is the y size? What is the y size?
15, ma'am.
15. And what we have said here, it will be -3, comma 7.5. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
How we have how we have okay. So like this, you can just copy. You can just copy and move also, like multiple thing, or you can just again draw and again position it. Okay, whatever you feel like doing, you can do. And I'm just copying it and moving it. Just on this rectangular, click Control C, Control V. So you will get another rectangle, rectangle 5. Then select this move option, place it in center and just move it. For now, I'm not giving it any position. We will give that later. Okay. For now, we are just creating multiple layers. Okay. Its position is not correct for now. We are just multiplying the layers. Okay. We will deal with position also, but after some time. Okay. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So again, this on rectangular 5 is selected. Press Control C, Control V. Again, you will have one more rectangular. Just click on Move option and move it. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We want one more, right? Copy. Just now we have created our layers, but now we will see how the move option works. Move option works like whatever. See this was your first layer. Now with respect to this layer, where you want to move your means where you want to place your second layer. So this you can do in move. Just 0.5 after 0.5 mm you want the next point, right? Sorry, -1 mm. You want this point, you want after 1 mm, right? Minus. See, this is the first point.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Yeah. This is the first point. Now this will be your second point, right? So with respect to this, you have moved it in -1 x direction. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yeah. Okay. So okay, this is fine. Then rectangular 5 is also fine because with respect to this, you have moved -1. So this is also fine. Then 6. So this above move option is of like uh, this move option is of 4. This is of 5. So here it is 6. I think I have moved it twice. This move I'll just do it. Copy. This it's -1.5. What you want is -1. Okay. And again, the last one, same. Sorry. Okay. -1. So just tell me if I have not used this triangle to copy. If I have created multiple copy of this triangle, what would have been its position? For this, it would have been if I have just drawn this and would I have just created copy of this rectangle only. So what would have been for
-0.5.
this it would -1, 0. For this it would have been -2,
-5.
0, right? For this it would have been -3, 0. And for this it would have been -4, 0, right? Because I have created copies of the like previous one. So you are just moving it by -1, -1. But if you had created copy of this only 5 times, you would have to move it accordingly. You are understand? You guys are understanding what I'm trying to say? Or should I just repeat myself?
Ma'am, why y coordinate is 0?
because we are not moving it with respect to y coordinate. Your y coordinate is still there. We are moving it with respect to x coordinate. You can see y coordinate for all of this is same, right? So we are not moving this with respect to y coordinate. We are just moving it with respect to x coordinate.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand now what I'm trying to say? The
Yes.
y coordinate for this and this is same, but their x coordinates are changing. That's why we are only keeping x coordinate for move. We can move it with respect to y coordinate also. It's not like we can't move, but we don't need it in this case. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any more questions?
No,
Hello?
ma'am.
No? Okay. So again, if you want this all layers to be one, what you will do? I just told you. Like you want this all to be a one unit. What you think you will do? Since whatever you will do to first layer, you want all layer to behave the same, like move or copy or all. What you will do? Right. I just told you. What we did for this window thing, we united it, right?
Then, ma'am,
Uh,
using mirror option.
now, if I want to mirror it, I choose mirror option. For now, what I don't want to behave, I don't want it to behave like individual thing. I want to unite them. So whatever wherever I move the first coil with respect to that, all should move, right?
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
But we
So
have to
you can
unite.
just unite them first. It's fine if you don't unite them. You can just okay, in move option, I think you will not be able to do it. Okay. Anyways, if you are treating it with respect to this, so I think in move option you cannot unite. It's fine. Don't unite it. You don't need it. It's not compulsion. You can just leave it individual also. So now I want same structure on this side. Now you tell me what option I can choose. What we have done before to
Duplicate
create
and
a
mirror.
same vector. Huh? Hello?
Duplicate, ma'am.
Yes. Edit, duplicate, and mirror. Got it? You guys
Yes, ma'am.
understood? So, like, I think for today we will stop here. Like, I was trying to complete this day two also, but I think you have to understand all of this in detail. So it will take some time. So day two we will do tomorrow. Today we will stop here, but there is some like home assignment for you guys. Uh, First, understand how we are positioning the objects. Okay. So just create your own geometry, just play with it, see where if you will change the position what is happening. Just create a small rectangle or all, means you don't need to create the whole geometry, just create one small rectangle, just change its position, its size, and see how it is behaving. Then you will understand how you are positioning the things. Okay. Second, try to use this cut option. So I'm not saying you to like form another geometry, but please save this up. We will work on this only tomorrow. Okay. So save this assignment. What we have done today, save this simulation. For saving, just click on this, right click and save as whatever you want to save it as. I'm saving it on desktop. So So we call it as transformer one. What we want to call it, and just save. Understood how to save this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first understand how you are positioning the things. Second, understand how you can cut objects from your geometry. Okay. And the third, uh, try to use duplicate option and move option. Okay. So we will use these options a lot. That's why I'm telling you. Okay. It's fine if you don't understand Unite and all. It's fine. That anyways, like it is for our convenience, so it's fine if you don't understand it. But like move option, subtract option, and how we are positioning the object, it is very important thing to understand. Okay. So this is like an assignment for you guys. And tomorrow, if you will still have issue, we will discuss it again. It's fine. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You understand how you have you can save this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you guys have made this geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just save your file for now and just work on this. Like it will hardly take half an hour because I was explaining you things, so it has taken like 2 hours, but it will hardly take half an hour for you guys. If you just do it yourself. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so just try to play with this geometries, positioning, subtract, move, and all options. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I think we will stop here today. See you guys then tomorrow. And if you have any issue, I'll just give you my number, or I'll ask Sir Rakesh sir to give me my number, to give you guys my number and email ID, so you can just personally contact me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay,
Hello,
okay, madam.
sir.
I'll
Hello, sir.
share that. Mail ID. Hello?
Yes, sir. So
Yeah, I'll share your
I was
contact.
saying that I didn't wanted to start a new topic today, so I'm just like finishing it early.
But it's a wonderful
But
session. With this space, our students will understand all the details about
yeah,
all the content, 12 experiments. Thank
yes,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice,
Thank
nice
you.
session. I
So
hope all the
tomorrow,
students have understood so far.
what's it? Sorry,
I
I
hope all
didn't
the
hear.
students understood
Yeah, I'm hoping
in
that
that
too,
way
sir.
you are daily. Yeah.
So I think 1, 2 sessions will take time. Day one and day two will
Yes.
take time, but after once you understand how the things are working, then we can just like finish simulation in half an hour or so. It will not take much time after that. Okay. Main thing is just how like where you position your objects and how you assign dimension to them. That is like the main thing to draw geometry. If you will understand that, then you can just explore things and just like you can create your own geometry. You can do whatever you want in 2D or and also in 3D. So once you will understand 2D, 3D is like this only. Just one more axis will come in picture. That is Z axis. Maybe day 3 or 4 we will start with the 3D geometry. So you will get to know both 3D and 2D. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. But just please do your home assignment. Like please your emphasis a little bit. Okay.
All of you do the practice, generally become perfect. I think she has used multiple times to get
Yeah. Right.
confidence. If you use multiple times, you'll also get the confidence.
Yes,
So do
sir.
practice so that you can follow the all the rest of the sessions also quickly to cover all the topics.
Yes, sir. So today we will stop here. Thank you guys for listening to me. I think like I hope I'm being able to make you understand things. Since I'm trying my best, but I
ma'am.
don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, please be cooperative. We will sort things. We will together sort things out. So after 2 3 sessions, it will be fine for you. Don't worry if you are not understanding something today. After 2 3 sessions, you will not face this. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good night.
thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you.